Good morning. Today is July 15th, and in keeping with what our theme has been over the last few videos, this is a video to show you once again what you can do if you have a large enough account to do it in this market. Now, I want you to look at the screen and notice two things. First of all, look back at the 6:10 time frame, as you can see where I'm back there now, and you see that big move down, which I had that move earlier and got out, and now it's progressed forward. But I also had very strong convictions that this trade was eventually going to get to that red line. Now you can see my stop over on the right-hand side of the screen. You can see the stop that's 10 or 15 points above that red line. Why do I do that? Because I'm not going to get greedy. I've got a ton of contracts in here, 50 contracts, and what I'm looking for and what I believe is going to happen is that there's going to be a hard move down towards that red line. Now, eventually, I believe it'll get there. Watch. Now, this is all, this is an hour and a half's worth of trading that's been moved down to 3.5 minutes. So obviously, there's some editing here. But you don't see a stop above this price. I'm not worried about it going up. I have very serious conviction and confirmation that it will get to that red line. And I'm going to dispense with the drama and just tell you that this is going to make a big move. I'm down $3,000 in the trade. That's not going to last for long. You're going to see a big move down. But more importantly, you won't see it on this video. But if you want to take the time and go look at this day, July 15th in the oil market, you're going to see that this price not only eventually got to that red line, but it sat on that red line for about 2 hours. So that is a proprietary marker that we use. That's the system that we've created. You're not going to find that anywhere in any kind of technical indicators. Watch this move that's going to take place here in just a second. Keep your eyes peeled. And this is how quick things can happen in the oil market. Now, did I think that it was going to move this fast at this time? I'm not going to claim that at all. But like I said, I believed very strongly that I was in safe grounds and I was going to get what I came for. So I just have gone from down 3,000 3 minutes ago. It's live right now to up 13,000, 11,000. It's going to make a hard spike. You're not even going to get to see, but this trade eventually netted about $16,000, but it happened so quickly because once it hits my stop, you're with 50 contracts, you're going to have some slippage, and that happened in this particular instance. Now, in hindsight, would I have liked to have carried this all the way down to but I've seen many times that which we use as support can sometimes turn into resistance, and that price could go down there and bounce off of it. So I've learned, just play safe. Take what you can get, be happy with it, come back and trade the next day. We're up 15, 16,000 right there. Just watch, and it's going to make a hard spike down. Bingo, now we're out of the trade. But that's how fast things can happen in oil, and they do happen in oil. Thank you very much for tuning in.